Hello my students, how are you? Today in science class for 3rd grade we will talk about let's make noise. We talked before about instruments. الآلات الموسيقية. Look at here please. We have different instruments such as recorder, guitar, triangle and sitar. Recorder makes sound by blowing. النفخ في الآلة. Guitar makes sounds by plucking. النقر على الأوتار. Triangle makes sound by hitting. الضرب على الآلة. Sitar makes sound by plucking. Okay, today we'll talk about sitar. Look at this picture, please. Here we have sitar. Sitar makes sounds by plucking. Here, look at this, please. Here we have strings. الأوتار. So we can pluck the strings. Then the instrument makes sound. This instrument is called the sitar. The strings of the sitar make sound when they are plucked. So sitar makes sound by plucking. Look at here please. We have an idea to make a sitar yourself. We will bring box without lid or cover. من غير غطاء. Okay, and we will bring elastic bands. Thick elastic bands, سميكة. Elastic bands and thin elastic bands, رفيع. We can pluck elastic bands to make sound. You can make a sitar in your home. Okay, look at this picture, please. Here we have students are doing an experiment. هيعملوا تجربة. They want to see how far away from a sound they can walk until they can't hear it anymore. هيوقفوا عند عدم سماع الصوت. When they can't hear the sound, they stop walking. When they can't hear sound, they stop walking. Okay, look at this picture carefully, please. Here we have airplane. The sound of airplane is sizzling. This sound comes from machine. Look at the sound, please. This sound of bird comes from animal. Okay, and here we have drum. Okay, now look at this picture, please. Who is the student who will stop first? من هو الذي سيتوقف في البداية? Who is the student who will stop first? The first student. She can't hear the sound first. She stops walking. How do we hear sounds? You hear things when sounds enter your ear. Look at this picture, please. Here we have sound enters in your ear. To hear sound, and here the sound enter in your ear to hear sound. Thank you, my students.